It's your Christmas.
Planka shop. Hey, yes. Hey, come here, bartender. I want to one. Look at you. What kind of drink you want?
Sorry.
Sorrel beer, what you want? You want a sorrel beer? Sorrel beer, what you want, Vanilla?
Sorrel beer.
We'll take sorrel. Yeah, man, a sorrel.
We had light.
Paula, bring sorrel beer, come. What you want for drink? Sorrel beer too? You want a sorrel beer? Alright, bring beer, sorrel beer, like a sorrel around the cut. Sorrel beer. Sorrel beer.
Sorrel beer.
Sorrel beer. Hey, sorrel beer. Planka shop.
Planka shop, nice.
Commercial break. Alright. Yes, it's a commercial break right now. We're trying to get her a nice husband.
Okay.
It's a nice mother from America. She lives in America too. We're trying to get her a nice husband. So we were here seeking the love for her. But the festival is so nice. And these two ladies come as customers and they are here. And Planka shop, Miss Carter, Lord Jesus.
So a love connection, the idea with Auntie.
Yes, let me call back Miss Carter. I'm the boss of Carney. Hold on there. And these two nice customers. Well, I'm not here, Miss Carter, so before we go for it.
So Auntie Paula, you have the cake then put on?
Yeah, man, of course.
I will be coming on, come here, come here.
Yeah, I have to put them on there. The last time when you come, you never want to. Yes.
Oh, yeah, I will put them. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, me dey on the live.
I am.
Okay.
Well, you know the funny. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, now. Alright, come, yeah, Coco there here, come.
I know me alone at all.
I'm not going to big you up on the live when you come, then know who me always talk about. Come ever chat to know.
Oh, who you chat, Auntie? We?
No.
Chat to them.
No,
you can't chat to them.
Well, let me clean off the lens then. Yes, Planka shop. Come here, Vanilla. We want to use this opportunity of happiness over here to share with the world. We have my sister right here, Vanilla, and we have chocolate. And they came all the way. They've been here for a couple of days, well.
Yes.
And I didn't know they were coming here today. I know they were here, but I didn't know because, you know, look, most of them don't see me. Look, most
God
of
said we're going to see you. So
and I want to say,
it was
yes,
meant
and
to
these
be.
are the master baker.
Yes.
Master baker.
Yes.
Master baker. The live glory. The live glory. What
Yes,
are
the
you?
live glory.
My live?
This is the baddest baker.
The live alright?
Master baker.
Alright.
The live alright. Wanna tell me now? If the live alright.
Big up Planka shop.
Big up the Planka shop. It's okay, yes. And they are here. They are, and the master baker, I see them doing cake sampling the other day. But they're going to do cake sampling right here and the judge is right here.
Okay,
yes. I don't have filter nothing for the live.
No, because a master baker I go come right up with the honesty.
Jesus.
Tell it like it is.
The sorry beer to make so she don't know the taste. Alright, Miss Coco.
No, Auntie, I
can't bring the slice up the cake when there's something that to make the master bakers come and the judge. Come taste the cake. Oh, look at my sister. This is so nice.
Auntie,
Yes.
worship Auntie like she a God. Me have one prayer for say to Auntie.
Alright.
Hear it now.
Them
seven worship you like you a God.
I'm here carrying them up to show you in there and show you
so
the
hear
light.
the prayer for Auntie.
Because she never see the light put up.
Hear the prayer. Our Auntie, who lives at 99, hallowed be thy cake. Thy mansion is where we come. Your cake will be done in Jamaica and around the world. Yes, because you own the key to your own kingdom.
Yes.
And you give God the power and the glory.
Yes.
Forever and ever. Amen. Amen.
Say hi.
This is Planka.
And him getting food.
Hi, Joshie.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. So you pull them. Let me bring the food.
Can I get a hug too, Joshie?
Give her a hug, Josh. Make a turn back in camera. The sorrel beer them is here. Yes.
Yeah, she dead fat.
You know the different one, you know the more.
Yeah, watch it from the liquor bit.
Beer lemon. You know to buy more
Just
sorrel.
need to jack.
Who want the lemon there? Who want the lemon one? You want the lemon? Alright, should we take the lemon? Alright, see the lemon here. Coconut back up and go. Stop. Yes, thank you. Yes, vanilla.
Thank you, Auntie.
Come up with this thing up, bring on the opener. Bring the opener, the bartender. Yes. Alright, hold on.
Thank you.
Everybody get seated? Yes.
Have a seat.
Alright. We have
Again, sweetie.
the first me and meet them.
Marlene, all
From
right.
Jacksonville.
From Jacksonville.
We're still working the love
Hi,
And
Marlene.
that is Miss Coco.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. See opener there. Pack that opener. She's not ready yet. No. I'm gonna get the bus back to her yet. She will go back to me. Who are we the band? Oh, she got work. Rasta job.
Take care.
See the bag there with the key. She give the young girl the key. Edda want more cake. If Edda want more cake, start to call her.
Oh, thank you so
No,
much.
she had to get that cake.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes. Paula, Errol, come here. Edda send her talk. Edda, the on the phone. The Paula.
Let me hear what she said.
Yes. Yes, Plankers. Well, mom. Yes. Yes, vanilla and chocolate in the
Yes.
never first time I buy another time. Yes. On the aunt and I get breeze.
Much one unto me.
Come down here for vanilla. This are the
Chocolate.
Bring all the
To the chair there.
So let me give my chair, make you sit and get breeze here. Cheap and clean. Now they take off their ties there for that.
You come sit here. The fan's right
Yeah,
there.
the fan right here.
Let Auntie keep her chair.
Yeah. No man, don't sit down.
No man, make him sit here.
Never get chair.
Uh-oh.
Never send for chair.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Listen, we can't believe Miss Paula keep it. Yes, Miss Paula.
Good? Okay, Eileen, thank you.
Lord
We got
Jesus.
to pull up. Yes.
Oh God. Light up the live as you come. You know, this is such a blessing.
I am at a VIP party all the way from Jacksonville,
And look
Florida.
at the VIP party. All of these ladies here, I met them through social media.
Yes.
It's such a blessing that we can interact, happy, laugh, chat. You know, and there's no animosity, nothing. Everybody just come. And I like the Planka shop. It's a place of love, of
Yes.
peace. When you come here, you feel the happiness. don't
Women
you?
Of course.
empowering
You
other
feel
women.
warm.
No,
Yes.
everybody just excited.
No negativity.
Yes.
I'm so
And there's no
happy.
jealousy. It's
No.
just good vibes.
Good
It's
vibes.
all love.
Yes.
Good
All
vibes.
love.
Never come out in a cake season and come see my auntie.
Lord
And I must be mad.
Jesus.
I must be
Yes.
mad.
And let me give you a hug. Thank you for loving. Oh my
Of course,
God.
always, always.
Thank you guys for loving me.
Always.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. When you feel that
Always.
A few weeks ago, Vanilla, she made me cry when she was in her car. She made me
Oh,
cry.
my
That,
God.
I mean, Vanilla was like,
Yes, bring some tester for them for me.
wow.
Oh, Paula,
And
do it
we're
in the
here to
plate.
show
Can I put it
people
on the plate?
and show the world that women can actually love other women
Yes,
and cheer for
support
them
other
and
women.
support them without no hidden agenda.
True.
Yes.
So I don't care what people gonna say about me.
Yes.
I'm gonna love my Jamaican sister. I'm gonna
Thank
stand
you.
in your corner.
Thank
as
you.
long as you're on social media,
Thank
I'll have
you.
your back.
We got your
No
back,
switching
Auntie.
here.
No.
Yes.
No.
You cannot ignore agenda no day.
No.
Yes.
Loyalty, we say. No. We're not looking for nothing. We're not looking for nothing.
Yes. Yes.
Have with teams.
Yes. Yes.
So we're not looking
Oh,
at
Miss
anything.
Carter, come. Oh my God, this is somebody got all alive here. Come and sit right here. Come and sit right
Come
here.
on, Carter, come on.
I'm not telling you who this lady is. Come right here. Sit right here. Let me close it up, please. Lock it up there. Come right here, guys. The world know what we might do. Come and sit down, the boss. I'm going to go on the synopsis, so don't hear me talk about time. Miss Carter, please sit. Who can hold alive here for me? Let me say, don't get her right in when I'm gone. Don't Vanilla all this life from me, please. Let me talk. Let me sit down.
One of my kids clean them cocoa.
Hold on, cocoa soon deal with
Come,
them.
me
Don't
will
worry.
run down cocoa. You know.
So guys, just sit and quiet. I can rub down your foot. Me foot and wash your foot now with the water. Alright, hold on. So a lot of you might not know, I used to work at ATL as an office attendant. This is the great Jackie Carter, when you can Google her. She worked at ATL for almost 50 years. How many years? 34 years. Tell them what you were, because I don't want to tell any lie. She have many different positions. Tell them one of them.
The service manager or the sales manager?
The service manager, the sales manager, and she's also a person that can sign any letter, anything. I used to serve this lady coffee, clean her decks. She's one of them that allowed me to be at Dunn's Electrical. Her sister owned Dunn's. When I started charity, she was one of the first one who let me get free electrical for houses when I was doing. Remember my Silone house? Alright. Before that, when I used to do like the ATL cooking season, I used to have a cooking show before all the fame, right? I used to work for major marketing brands. This lady right here. She never ever, she and Mr. Marno, you hear me talk about her, Jackie Carter, Miss Carter. She never ever looked down on me as an office attendant. Never ever treat me differently, like say she in a more position than me. And this lady have many crowns. When you look on her, she have many crowns walking with her. She had manager for this Tara, and all kind of things. Miss Jackie, are you make me that done? Electrical now. I want to tell you, them say don't scatter no roses when me gone, and anyone of my boss them when me walk with and me work with. Make she tell you how me used to sell cake at ATL. I hear time she order one whole heap of cake for people, for this, for that. And these people have never treated me less than human being. Me never have to say, boy, them can chew off the bossy. No. And she not passing you and don't ask you if you're alright. How is your day? Me sorry, Christina, there I see, man. She not passing you and don't say, how is your day going? If me not on a bus here, me can go right to her deck, see her there? And she not taking it back from me. If me not no lunch money, me can any problem me any furniture me want, not furniture, appliance. And she sign it off, make me get it. If me want a fridge, if me want a stove, anything when me want in the store, we go to Miss Carter. And today I want to use the opportunity to tell you that you never know what will happen in life. I want to use this opportunity to tell you that you treated me with so much respect, and you never once look down on us. I wouldn't be here talking to you like this. I'm going to say, see that woman there, she treat me bad when me come. Yeah. And I can safely say, without looking at accolades from her, she have her money, she have her things, I don't want nothing from her. I can safely say this woman is one of the ladies that paved the pathway for me and many more. Nobody in the office have any, what me tell you, when it comes to her work though, when it comes to sales and this work, you know, she's very serious. She's a no-nonsense. Customer come first. Yeah. Workers get the end of the stick, but customer, don't care if you're wrong, she give you the right. That is her policy. And today, Miss Carter is here at the little 99 where I started off. Way before this fame, way before all this Auntie Donna, I was just Donna, the office attendant, going through, baking my cakes, selling selling my juices and doing my food and breakfast, and she bought. She never look and say, Lord, she office attendant and she clean bathroom. Oh, I want a can saltfish tomorrow. What are you preparing? I make her smoothies. Yeah. I made her smoothie. I make her salad. She would come into the office and she would order her salad from me. Every little thing that I did, she, even if she don't want it, and she did eat them. I made the best salad for her. Awesome. I made the best salad. And she's here. And I want to use this opportunity to say, big up yourself, give me a hug.
Yay!
I'm not just tell you no through camera, but me I highlight it through camera that the world can know that if there is a manager at a certain establishment, and you have your little worker, treat them with respect and love. She would have passed you and just say, come and give me a hug. And you can, any little paper I want to sign, any little thing I go, Me go to her feet and she advised me. She know a lot, she know everything. I tell her that she wear, I don't want to wear all the acts. She know criminal law, she know every God Almighty. Me not talk about her business. So me have people that me back who can advise me and tell me what to do. So when I say me an idiot, you just sit down and watch the show. Alright, so Miss Carter, big up yourself. I appreciate you.
Big up yourself, Miss Carter.
Big up yourself. And the Planka, them when you want to see her, you work on the wall with high regards. And there's many more me tell you about, you know, she's just one of them. Alright? And they support me every day. This is not a Christmas cake, this is a taste stuff they're going to give me. Alright? So big up on herself. And Miss Bailey, she's affiliated with Miss Bailey. Oh, you're going to a Christmas function. She's a part of the Observer clique as well. Part of the manager of Lord God, look how the lady nice. Miss Cat, you still go gym?
No.
Oh God, she was a gym fanatic. She goes to Lord Jesus. Miss Cat, I wonder if I write for you. I feel one day, Lord Jesus. What a beautiful day inside the Planka.
Absolutely beautiful.
Thank you so much. Here? Yes. Oh, I don't see. She not even tell me say she have come here. Alright, let me get a picture. Hold this vanilla. She don't show up properly to me. Yes. Alright.
But I might sing it till the morning.
Yeah.
Gratitude is
Don't worry about the picture. You get a husband.
from a right hand.
A husband.
Yeah.
We give chance to the journey.
Come on, wipe off the leg.
Gratitude is a must.
Your man just can't see it, say myself.
How would you find it on how would you find it? Yes, if you're part of
Got it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
nice lady.
Yes. What a beautiful
Turn out to come back.
Yes, come. I want you to
I hope we didn't ruin your love connection.
nice. Oh my God.
Go, chef,
Good
go
night,
on.
Sam.
Okay.
Vanilla, you look so beautiful. I like
Thank
it.
you. Thank you.
Yes.
Go bestie.
Go bestie. Go bestie.
Oh, you need to show them the winner at the what you can have bumper. Go bestie. Go bestie and bumper. You know see
I know.
Vanilla have a bumper.
Yes. She had the bumper waiting on Bringle from England.
God, Jesus, no sir.
What a bumper. Bringle region. Bringle.
Hey. We have to make a Bringle, you know. I can't manage. I cannot manage.
Oh my God, so it's better treating you here. All right, Miss Carter, thanks here.
Bye.
Yes. When my boss, them come at 99, I feel good.
That's
Yeah,
nice.
and the water for them also.
Tina.
All right, well, I Professor Antonio for me now. All right, then come with it here.
Yes.
And chocolate. Vanilla and chocolate. Professor Antonio for me dry here for the water. I'm watering the water for me now. Did you get water?
We don't need water.
No man, not to the
Oh,
alright, Vanilla, let me see how we should get this one.
That's my niece, but she have a beer.
Only Cyril alone, Paula bring. Only cut one coconut cake and some of them taste now. Coco, you know, we have cut cake for because them free.
You know,
Let me turn this
all
on.
I worry about is our Chinese wig.
You turn by you? Alright, let me go
I
cut
think
cake.
so. This is chocolate. It turned from me.
Now
Oh, it turned from me. Look on that side, Planka. Jeez, hot. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. Let me read on our side. Auntie gonna cut cakes for which I'm trying. Chocolate, my baby. Who said that?
We're
It's
in
going so
Planka shop.
fast. We're at the Planka
I tried
shop.
for fixes.
Oh, we did a little game yesterday.
We did a game.
Yes, and we
Yes.
have a winner.
Hold
We're
on.
going to announce the winner. The winner is Crystal Hussein. She was the first one who
Followed the instructions.
Followed the instruction, took a picture of dimes and sent it to us with the outfit. Congratulations, Crystal was saying. Big up on yourself,
Congratulations,
Plankers.
Crystal.
Big up on yourself. Yes, man. Y'all having a blessed Sunday. Yeah? Your man was there with sister. Come check her. You know what I mean? Yes, come get some cake, get some cheap and clean. Yes, we're gonna give us some cheap and clean. Yes, man. We're there to support the thing, you know. Yes, man. Master Baker and the I have to left Master Baker people. I know some Master Baker don't have no behavior. I mean, can't Master Baker down here. Next thing Master Baker want rocking an auntie house and thief auntie recipe them. I couldn't do it. You understand? Can't have the Master Baker. So I just have to come. Yeah. By myself, me and Vanilla.
Yeah.
Love you guys, love blessings, love blessings. Yes, me don't know enough, but enough people over here watch Auntie. Yeah, I'm shy with enough people that watch me.
Hey, Karen.
Yes, me don't know if he said who.
You don't want to get nobody on camera that don't want to be on camera.
Yeah. You don't know what he said. Let me just say hi to y'all. Master Baker. Auntie sitting there in fire. Auntie have good eyes, man. You know, I'm blind. You're pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. My hat though. Big up on herself. I wall it on I'm not go fast. I'm not used to wall it people. You understand? So we can't keep up with it wall it coming. But I love you all. Yeah. Love you beautiful people.
Hello?
Master.
Then say hi, Master Baker.
Hi.
Then say hi, Master
Hi.
Baker.
Look how Auntie thing's small.
Yeah.
You can see it? There's
Yeah,
the
I can see
wording.
it, yeah.
Well, I'm blind. You know I'm blind.
Oh, chocolate.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How you doing? Yeah, so just stay away for Auntie. She's gonna cut some cake for us to try. Island Girl, I saw that one. Big up yourself, Island Girl. Casey, the at Girl Vanilla. Crystal is saying she's on here. Pick up yourself, Crystal. Lola Bennett. Yes.
Big up Kings and
Jennifer
Queens.
Mills.
We're at 99.
Grand, big up yourself.
Someone
Joe
out here.
Shaka.
Them never want to cut no cake. Hello?
Auntie Combo.
Good afternoon. Are you on him? Uno together? Uno together?
No.
Oh, you're the customer. Come here. Come here. You should have bring people that man at taste to it. First you come in here. Yeah? Let me make it big time. I'm on live. Oh, you're the on live? Okay, come.
Auntie, let me take a
Oh, you want a picture with me? Come take it fair.
Kings of Planka shop. And Kings.
Bring the knife, come please, Paula. Alright, ready?
Sorry, ladies.
Oh, Auntie,
You good?
Very nice. Happy
Yes.
holidays.
Auntie,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Here.
Alright, baby.
Alright, sir. Paula.
When you see Molly, you need a
Bring the knife, come off chair.
Okay.
Here.
Love you
And
too,
the wife
Queen.
are watching for the live. So they have
that's you. Alright, so we will keep
We'll remember that.
Okay, take care, guys.
You too.
Love you too.
Take
Nice
care,
meeting
yeah.
you.
Nice to meet you. Be safe. Be safe.
Christmas.
Bye. Happy
Bye. You
holidays.
too. Be safe.
Alright, so we have 3 different cake right here. The Sorry, the Java.
Close it, girl.
Eh?
Oh, the sun. Oh, we have the sun.
Yeah, me I cut that in a two, and then they are the coconut.
Coconut.
Try Java coconut, only them, and me if I go and cut a coconut, because them says the fast Paula never want to cut it.
them,
She
right.
said every minute you cut the cake, how we are going to make money. Paula love money, you know.
Well, I white version of Paula. They say,
Paula, you see? She don't want to cut the cake.
I'm gonna blame her.
She said every minute you say, tell them you know.
Paula, I don't blame you. Don't cut no cake.
Alright, hold on.
How are you gonna sell it if it's cut?
That's what I'm saying.
So, sir, I want you to come, let me take up this vanilla. So sir, I want you to give your honest opinion. This is the coconut fruit cake. Look at it, coconut. Alright? But no man, take it off of the fat. I'm going to use it because finger food, you know.
Yeah.
Vanilla, take up your piece and
Thank you, Auntie.
I want to taste it. And everybody, give me their distinct taste and opinion. Come on now, sir. Eat it already. I don't want to on the camera, I'm out talk.
It's not on the camera.
Alright.
Auntie, we can get the next piece of coconut?
Yes, you can.
How many taste the
It's
first
good.
one?
Alright.
Mmm.
Yeah, but I don't feel all the coconut taste. I would like,
This thing just melts in your mouth.
I love it.
you like it?
It melts right in your mouth.
Oh my, what you say, sir? You love the coconut.
Well on then.
Bring piece more java for making taste. So this is a piece of sorrel. Alright? Hold on.
Easy, man. I rush it in.
That's
Them
good.
on the live, you don't know about the ramping or so.
Coconut not done.
That's good, Auntie.
Alright, the sorrel and
All right.
vanilla.
Hold on, the coconut not done.
Sorrow.
Alright, the coconut not done.
Oh.
Here there.
It's not done.
Yes.
Use crumb, pick up crumbs, yeah. Now we're done.
Alright, the sorrel.
Dude, it just melt on your tongue, don't?
Alright, the
Auntie,
sorrel.
it better than it
Last
last
time,
year
yes.
one. How are you
I mean,
doing
alright,
that?
the more you
Oh,
taste
yeah,
it,
tell Master Beat.
the one piece more coconut. You like over the sorrel. Alright, instead of prefer the coconut over the sorrel. Alright, take,
I love the coconut better too.
alright.
Sorrel nice, but I love the coconut.
The coconut have a nice.
Alright.
I'm not saying this doesn't taste
Yeah,
good.
man,
It tastes
you try
good.
the sorrel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody have them preference.
The coconut, mighty God.
Yes. Alright.
That's
try-
the Java?
Yes.
That
try-
was my favorite last
Yeah,
year.
try vanilla and chalk it about with piece of the gentleman. Taste the
When I let
java.
them have man,
And this is the ribena, it's the burger and the look of berry them up here upon the tree. Yes, that is it.
This was my favorite last year.
Yes.
I love this and the coconut.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
I love this too.
I love it and the coconut.
Instead of one bad. Here
It's
there.
better, but
Better than the sorrel.
it's better than the sorrel. It's better than the
From the
sorrel.
coconut,
I
the one
want the
say Java
coconut
and
and the Java.
In prefer the Java
I love both of them.
over the
Yeah.
coconut. No,
Over
it's
the
not.
sorrel.
And I'm improve the mixture. So.
It's
Oh
yo.
God.
This is still my favorite.
The Java.
Yeah.
Eh?
I love the coconut and the Java.
You love the coconut.
I like the coconut too. I like all of them, but
the Java.
this one is my favorite.
I mean, see everything. I prefer coconut and the Java.
Yeah.
You got the salad cake. Thank you guys. Thank
It's
you.
sorrel tastes nice, you know, but them two that are my favorite.
The two of them are
Yeah.
here.
Good.
The first one.
Coconut.
Very
just-
good.
Oh my God.
Oh
It
God.
just melt on your tongue, auntie.
It melts on your mouth.
Like up the
Yeah.
live, please guys. Like up the live. Like up the live. Look at auntie little likes now. Look at press up the like button.
And it's not over.
It's not overpowering.
like with the alcohol. It's just
Yes.
perfect.
One can go show no one like. I'll never there you when we put it up the last time.
Auntie, I don't feel like I feel
I feel
like.
like.
No, not from me. The light that you guys bless me. It's a blessing into my house.
Yeah,
And
auntie,
everybody
we deal
come
with
here. It's a
love.
center of attraction. Everybody will come here. Personal friends will come here.
Yeah.
Love it.
Because
Carol
it
love
come
it.
from a place
Everybody
of
love
love,
it. And
auntie.
yes.
When
It
they
was
don't give no foolishness.
no.
Yes.
We wouldn't give you anything we want for ourselves.
Oh.
We're not here even better
Yes,
than
the
what
Java
Yeah.
is my favorite this year. Them say the Java. People say it. My favorite this year is the sorrel.
The sorrel?
Yes,
sorrel
because
are your
it's like
favorite?
I have so much passion in it. If every year I try to outdo myself.
Okay.
And it's one of the cake what I fight with.
Okay.
I've been doing it for years, so I don't care when nobody says the sorrel is my baby.
Yeah, your baby,
It's my
yeah.
sugar plum. It's like make them tell you, if I come and I say I want a piece of cake to eat and
I
the sorrel.
sorrel you want.
Them know them I give me. I love the sorrel, but I will eat any other one. But the sorrel is like God give me that, and it me just
Because auntie, I love the coconut.
auntie?
Because see, before you have coconut, I never had coconut cake. I never
Yes.
had a ribena.
I never had that either,
You
right?
understand? I never have none of them.
Yeah, the ribena. Yeah,
Yeah.
well, ribena alright to me.
Me never have them. So these are me like new things.
Yes,
Yes. So
yes.
that it's just.
And
totally
some people
blow my
love the
mind.
sweet potato cake because the
I've
sweet
never
potato.
tried your
Let me
sweet
tell you what the
potato.
sweet potato cake is. It's infused with coconut. So it's like you taste it.
That's the one you sprinkle the coconut on the top?
A cake version to a pudding. I stop sprinkle the coconut just a piece.
Okay.
And the plantain cake. This year the plantain come right up. We can't believe when the plantain I don't know when people literally ask Auntie no more plantain cake in the year.
Because they're different.
Yeah, me
And-
try
and-
to work.
yeah.
And God give me that, you know. So
Yeah.
But I love
Me
different.
try.
I love how you do different
All of your
things.
cakes
Yes.
are unique.
Yes, and you don't expect to get it anywhere. And
No.
One of my
Exactly.
girlfriends, she commented, she said, Donna, I were listening to you on your live this morning. You were talking about the Nigerian. She said, why don't you do some of your first time cake? The one that don't carry any birth and show person say you can do cake smooth just the same because that is the normal Jamaican
you can do cake smooth, Auntie. You
Yes,
have nothing
I know.
to prove to
But
anybody. because-
no man, one of my girlfriends just said, but when you show them people, I say, where you come from with cake? Because I used to do cake that didn't carry births.
Yeah.
Because I changed up the ingredients, I put more things in the cake. So the more things I put in the cake, the more cake become a bit heavy.
Right.
And when I say heavy, it's not heavy like it heavy when you wear down your clothes.
No.
So the mixture, when it's a bake, it take a longer while for bake.
Right.
Normally a fruit cake take 1 hour and 35 minutes. Then you take 1 hour and 45, 1 hour and 50 minutes because of the texture,
Right,
the
and they're
density.
not the regular
and
like
it don't
everybody.
swell up as much as the regular fruit cake when I fry up with the tin. Because if you notice when I bake, me full up the tin them and it just come up a little.
bit.
Yeah.
So it's just nice.
It
and that
is.
is
Me
just
tell
the
you, so they-
signature.
yeah, me tell you,
Donna
so the
Cole.
cake.
All of them good. All of them good.
But
Auntie.
don't
They
worry
really
about
are.
the smoothness until they come. Me
No,
that
man,
pay
I
somebody,
also-
me that pay a person $1,000 right now if they put a whole smooth cake in their mouth and it stays smooth.
All
It don't
right.
crack.
It don't crack.
Me pay you if you can
here
put
there.
because
If you can get it down your throat without it
Yeah.
cracking and into your stomach.
Yes,
Exactly.
yes.
People
Yeah.
will always have something to say, but they're nice, Auntie. Yeah, no matter what you do, people
Yes.
don't talk.
I mean, I make me
Your cake them speak for themselves.
Yes,
The taste.
and when we look at the majority of people will love them,
Yeah.
you know, me feel good. And, you know, me have some news to announce next year because people are saying, Auntie Donna, you know, people in corporate, people in business persons here. I said, Miss Donna, your name is global, you know. It's not the normal Donna, your cake is Auntie Donna cakes and everybody wants
It's a
to taste
brand.
your cake. It's
Yes.
a brand. So you
If me
need
ever
to-
go in a chocolate and vanilla phone and show you how much somebody want Auntie Donna cake,
Lord
you'd have
Jesus.
blow your
Yes.
You know, so it's like me sit down for my blessing. Like a person saying to me, you know, say you come like you asleep at 99, get up, wake up, you are sitting on a blessing. Just as how you are a brand ambassador for Miss Birdie. You can your name gone farther than Miss Birdie. You know,
Of
just
course.
That's
saying.
why they love to call it.
Yes.
Yes.
And it needs to be called.
Yes.
Yeah,
I
that's
think a
good.
sorrel be right, you know.
It
Someone
tastes
It
good.
tastes good.
And,
Yes.
and the lips
and
just
it have
like
its
the
own
sorrel.
Yeah.
taste and flavor to it.
But you talk about something to really
I
different.
won't change from the number one. From Jamaica Care Packet today. I
The cake
love it.
just
Thank
melts
you.
on your tongue.
Thank it,
It melts in your mouth,
tongue.
yes.
And the ingredients that I put every year add something new. A different liquor, different top. You know, me just try to rejuvenate myself.
I don't know what you did to the Java. I
Oh my God,
love
can't
it.
tell you, the
I love
ingredients
it.
is bombing.
Yeah.
You can tell me. It will be a secret.
And the Planka them.
Yes.
I always talk about something when I call your name.
Yeah, there.
You can't stop me from calling your name.
Can't
You
stop
understand?
me.
Me, I go call your name whenever I feel like calling your name. Nobody can stop me from calling your name. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your name is worthy to be called. And when
Yes.
them come for you, I may feel for come run out on them like you're like a sister. I can run out by
Yes.
them. Yeah, me, I can run out.
And congratulations on your business out here.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
You don't want a Planka shop, I like.
No, I prefer keep my business off of social media because people are just.
And no make nobody know I fear they're going to
Right,
mash it
yeah.
up too.
There you
Yes,
go.
They tried
And you know
already,
what?
that's
You know
why
what's
I-
good about
yes.
that?
They're going to rent it out and mash up your
They
bed,
tried,
mark
they
up your
tried,
furniture. Yes, yes. that's
Yes,
true.
and by doing
And that's why
that,
me wouldn't bring none of my. If three people not like me, if me be talk certain things in a phone,
Yeah.
them they go vandalize and do all.
Exactly.
So because man,
Exactly.
all your enemy rent from you.
Make-
There you go.
There you
That's
go.
it.
There
They
you
don't
go.
know that they're renting from
There
you.
you
Yep.
go.
Then
There
you know,
you
you
go.
just go through Airbnb or whatever you go through.
That's right.
Yes.
Go through it.
Go
I'm rented.
through.
Yes.
So true.
Yeah, they're very
See
evil.
water,
out there.
water.
Oh, thank you, Auntie.
Yes.
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah, the man is to get
So nice seeing you again, though, my auntie.
Yes.
I
Oh
know
my
it's not
God.
a long visit, and we, you know, we've been here a few days now,
Yeah,
but
we
we're
know.
busy. And we
Yes.
say, if I even for an hour,
Mama, you couldn't come
we're
and
going
come
from
and
after
No,
nine.
we have to come.
And
Me
it's
not
your
care what
second
people say no more.
chance, I
Me
know.
can't
We're in a
come and
business.
me not
We're in a business with
And
them.
me not busy with nobody. And thank you for loving me. Thank you for,
Auntie, if me don't just, I'm the type of person like this. I don't get up and just love people so for no reason.
yes,
Not because them name a call up and them popular. Me not love people so for no reason.
yes.
You understand me? What
Yes.
you do and I've seen on social media from day one, I come out and say it. What I've seen you do on social media, I haven't
Yes.
seen it done by anybody.
Oh.
You understand? And you do for people in our country.
Yes.
Why would I try to hold that down? Why would I go against that?
And
Why
accuse
would-
me of so many things.
And accuse you of so many. Why wouldn't I want to join?
Yes.
Into, even if it's not as big as yours, as it doesn't matter how little you can give to somebody can change their lives.
Amen.
You
True.
understand? And that's how you got me. I fell in love with that first. Then I met the person.
Yes.
Yes.
Understand? The personality
Yes.
dragged me in, and I won't change. If I could do it all over again and then cost me 1 million times, I will
Don't
do
pay
it
that
all
no
over.
mind,
I'll
you
do
know?
it all over again.
I have to tell you, Auntie, when we met you in Canada,
Yes.
and we sat and we talked to you, I felt like I knew you forever.
Everybody said that.
I felt like I knew you forever. Yes.
Everybody said
Not
that.
Yes.
one time have we ever reach out to you and ask you for anything.
No.
not even
No,
come
we
and
not
sit
even.
there, not even
Me
like
tell
them
you,
to
don't.
talk to.
Yes, me say don't even talk about our business.
Yes, you
Yes,
did
remember
say
I
that.
told you
Yes,
that.
yeah, 'cause when you did first tell me and show me the girl is just from
I
scratch.
said
Yes.
don't talk
Yes.
about
And
it
I was
because
so
it's
happy
not
for you
about.
guys.
We know.
We know.
but we know how people are, and
Yes.
we want to just. We want
And
to
the
just
bonnet
turn
business,
up.
the amount of people message me and say, where you get that bonnet? But people
Them sold out. We have
No,
to
no
get
more.
more. We're gonna
Oh.
do something.
We're gonna do more. They're
my
gone.
slippers.
Oh, we have them.
Oh,
Some of
Jesus,
them.
have
Have your
mercy. Hold on the vanilla.
Have your slippers.
My slippers.
We
come.
have your slippers.
Oh my God. Oh my
Oh,
God.
yes.
Look at me supporting my sister brand.
Yes.
Coco, come
Thank
here. Come and look at this. This is so nice.
I open them. We get the size wrong,
Oh,
right? You know,
yes.
auntie.
Coco, look at this. This is their slides, their brand.
Yeah. I hope we get your size right, auntie.
Yes.
I hope we get your size
Yes,
right.
this is oh, wow. Look at the little
Yeah.
toe point.
Yes,
And the shoes. Yes, bless up
black
here.
one.
Okay,
Yes,
you like
auntie.
it?
Don't it
Oh,
look
wow.
cute,
Yes,
Coco?
look at the sides, Coco.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
now wear
right. And the
tomorrow.
two-tone.
Yes, and the
Ball
two light
out.
and nice. Oh,
Yeah.
my God.
You feel good, auntie?
Yes, like, don't have it on the website?
No, we're not put it on the website, auntie.
So them all sell. 'Cause you know
We
from
sell
the
them
computer.
from we platform because we keep this separate from we other business.
So they have to just go on your page.
Yeah,
So
but we
them all
can
like-
reach out to we on WhatsApp.
All right,
Yeah.
so reach. Oh my God, this
Yeah.
is so nice, guys. Reach out to them on WhatsApp to get this. Look, it is so nice. Reach out on
auntie.
WhatsApp. Wow.
And them
Them
comfortable
market
and
well
light.
comfortable and it light.
Yeah.
I like the design and the
Yeah,
style.
the chocolate. And
Oh wow,
vanilla.
it is so nice. I like it.
Thank you, auntie. Thank you so much. We know you are.
Yes.
Yeah, we know you are. Shout it from the mountain
Yes,
top.
me
Because
like
I saw
it.
you steer.
Tomorrow me I put it on right away.
But this is not this not have nothing to do
Oh.
with
That's not has nothing to do with
This
our
is just
business or
us,
anything. This is
anything,
just from us.
Okay, you bought me this. Oh,
Open
wow.
it.
Open
and you
it.
can read
Hold on to it. Let me open
And
it.
you ever see the reason why we get it?
Okay, you got it for me. All right. I like the, okay, I like the color, the gold. Lord God, don't make me feel like me a smarty, you know.
Auntie, you
You are somebody. We love you.
There's
Turn.
oh my God. There's an,
Turn around and then read it.
There's a 99% chance I don't care.
come here, see it? I like this. Thank you.
We thought that was good.
I like the print on it.
Yeah, go.
Yeah.
It's
It's long sleeve, but
Yes.
yeah. Yeah.
Yes, the plan
It's
is-
long sleeve, but
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Wear long sleeve.
Okay.
You can just
Okay.
fly it up to
okay.
This is- and I like the print. Who did
Yeah.
you know, I like this. Come here with some
Yes, at 99%.
Who did these prints for you?
Auntie, we will tell you. And then we tell you in
Okay.
the chat.
Like this for me.
camera.
I stagnant is not a part of my portion.
That's me like that.
Yeah.
Me like that. That
Guys,
is
if you
absolutely
don't go like
appropriate.
this type of printing.
Yeah, it's
That's
nice.
how we know how to get them done.
Yes.
And I was talking about bold letter this morning.
See?
And look.
Look,
Yeah.
Yes.
look.
Stagnant will never be my portion.
That's right.
We figured with everything that's going on social media,
We're gonna have this.
that was perfect.
We're gonna have the big stagnant, very bold, and the small letters.
Stagnant.
Yeah, right.
No stagnancy around here.
No stagnancy, growth,
Yes.
improvement,
Yes.
elevation, motivation.
Yes.
Yes, next level.
Yes,
I
next
got my
level.
gift. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Auntie.
Oh my, look at the zippers. It's so nice and comfy
Yes,
and light.
Yeah, they're
I'm
very
gonna tell you,
light.
everybody, I give Paula one of my bonnet. Will you bonnet the Paula?
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did give Auntie
Oh,
Paula
okay,
one.
that's
because I got
nice.
two.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Joshua, please put this in
Of
mommy room,
course.
please. Yes.
Until the pan chocolate or vanilla, should
Yes,
the pan
come.
Fiorella.
Alright, so it's on it.
It was on you.
Yes.
Or the dip on me. Alright, why turn it on we now? Come.
Turn the pan on.
Alright, come, we're coming. Huh?
Make her stand in the middle.
Yeah. Where you going? Oh, you're going inside. Oh, okay. Turn the pan you. We're going inside.
Eh? My room. When you're ready for the cake,
Hold on, let me take off my shoes, Auntie.
no, come right in.
May I take off my
Come
shoes?
right in. Come right in. Keep your camera quiet. You turn on the music, the film up, please. Turn it off. The YouTube something not gonna block.
Now walk in in your house with my shoes
I want you to
on.
go up the stairs right there and look up on the beautiful light that you guys gift me with. Chocolate, please come. Planka shop. Come, chocolate. You don't have to take off your shoes.
Let me take it off.
Come, gosh, put that. I want to show you. Come
Oh,
right
it looks
in.
nice, Auntie.
Look at the light they gift me with, guys, for my birthday last year. Look at the light. It's centerpiece.
Gorgeous.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That's beautiful. It's yes, right.
Yes.
Yeah.
My blessing from
You see, it has 3 balls.
Yes.
You're in the
So
middle where
nice.
it's holding you.
It's an entrance.
We're holding
piece.
you. Yes.
Huh? That's it?
You see the 3 balls?
That's
Yes.
why we got it like
The
that.
3 balls represents you
Oh
and
my
us, and you're in the middle. We're holding you.
Yes, sit there. Look at it. How beautiful, guys. Look at it.
Absolutely gorgeous.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
fitting for the queen
Like
that
up the
Yes.
lights, please.
Yes.
And the first them I see it put up.
At first,
Yeah, we never see it put up.
yeah,
Yeah,
we never see it.
yeah
It
they
was
never see
there.
it put up. They
Oh
said
my
it's beautiful.
It's beautiful, Auntie.
Look at it. Oh my God. This is a, I will treasure this for the rest of my
Of course, Auntie, you deserve
I will
it.
treasure it for the rest of my life.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
It was given with love.
With love, alright?
Yes.
Know that.
It was given with love.
Yeah, I would never mention your auntie. Always
Anita.
You talk.
Yes.
You're always beautiful, auntie.
Yes. Come look now. Or don't put the camera in here. Just turn it
Oh.
on you.
Okay,
Yes.
hold on.
Yeah. Yes.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So look around.
Yeah, man,
Oh,
it's
nice.
beautiful.
And in here not done yet. I know me a bake and this and this.
Oh,
and
yeah.
go around, you know.
I could see it in
Oh,
the
nice.
background. But when they tell us they're beautiful, you not see me comment.
Yes. I'm in bedroom down there.
It's nice, Auntie.
Very nice. Watch out, me have the camera out there. That tell you,
Very
know.
nice, auntie.
Yes, very nice.
It's nice.
You know Miss Foreign auntie?
No, I don't want to go foreign.
No, auntie. Because people are foreign have, some of them have none of this.
Yes.
How you doing, Joshi? You good? Yes.
Show the looking guys. Come. The
Beautiful.
bathroom.
Okay, me not want to go in there because.
It look like foreign bedroom.
All right, me I show up. Can I make that look up?
This is very nice.
Clean and nice.
Yeah, but it come with a make but not put together.
Oh, nice.
Inside is well clean.
Floor well clean.
See, I show it and you have it on me.
Tub well clean.
Yes.
Yes.
The bathroom ready.
Yes, auntie can lay up in this. With some bubbles in this.
But I bring Chris up here here now. But you show me already.
Oh, Chris.
You know, I can't remember if I can. I said, me show him up here already. I said, Chris, come go look in there. Oh, me the pie here, you show me already.
Nice, yes. And a king size
Auntie, it's
bed.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, a
King size bed. Oh, just to throw something on the bed. King
I
size
went
bed.
auntie roll 3 times,
Yeah.
you still not drop off.
I'm
4
still
times
not
every-
drop off. I'm comfortable.
Very
Yes,
comfortable.
very comfortable.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Nice.
Beautiful.
And that's in a Joshua room.
A dash room
The
there.
gazebo upstairs. You can't go up if you
No, you mean nobody gazebo already. Oh, nice. Dash room nice. It's blue. Me love
Yes.
the color.
But you may have been now. I just sat down. I never fix up for Christmas. After
Oh, and
Christmas.
here's cozy. And here's cozy.
Yeah, okay, nice. Comfortable.
Yeah.
Comfortable.
You got your own bathroom?
Yeah, my big one bathroom.
Go, Joshie.
That's right.
It's nice.
Yes, in my that's nice. Beautiful.
This life is beautiful. Like up the life, please. Look at it. Entrance piece. When we did go buy it, it wouldn't look so nice because it was a different finish. But it would have looked nice, but this beat out everything.
This is absolutely stunning.
Lord
Stunning.
Jesus. Very
Stunning.
That's why I'm not ready to give them. That's why I don't want to give them the grand entrance because guess what? After the season, everything I done, them finally finish the gazebo.
Oh, so you got your a complete
Yes.
run through.
All right.
And get a couple of people come
I
here.
love the mirror that you put there, that it reflects
Yes.
Oh,
off
it's
of.
daily. Look at it.
Yes.
Big
Yes.
up Carlin daily.
Yeah, I love
She said
the
she
mirror.
wanted the mirror effect for sure.
Yes.
The beauty. So when I come down the stairs,
Yeah.
me I look for
It
myself.
feel like you're
Yes.
in a luxury hotel and I
Yes.
go down the
Me
stairs.
not- At least then get me find
Yeah.
a phone. It's stagnant one day.
Yes.
And then me make them there further and do no-
I would eat too. If I'm stagnant, I would eat too.
Anyway, yes, very nice. Let me show you. Let me take a screenshot. Let me go down one.
Oh, and I'm
make up your mind.
Yes,
I appreciate this, guys. I love it. I really do appreciate it. From the bottom of my heart, I talk about it on my live. And this is a gift that I got that I was still supposed to talk. But because I don't know, so I get not talk.
Yeah.
Me I got talk.
Me know,
Big up
auntie.
Chocolate and Vanilla who gave me this. I appreciate it. I love it.
Love you
I
too,
love it. I
auntie.
love
We love you too,
Always,
auntie.
and continue to just do what you're doing.
Continue
Just
to be
continue.
yourself.
Yes.
Continue to be yourself because it's yourself who that drag us to you, pull
Yes,
us to you.
yes.
You know what I'm saying? We're not saying have to change for the better, but that authenticity that you have,
Amen.
keep it. You
Thank
understand? And keep going.
Yes.
We're rooting for you every step
Yes.
of the way. Don't you forget that.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, auntie.
What a beautiful day it is today in the Planka shop. I know me like dinner. Everybody is eating. You not hungry? You not hungry?
We
No.
stop at Island Grill.
Josh, you leave the slippers.
No, we're not hungry, pal.
Josh! I bring me dinner. Oh yeah, oh, is that box? I keep me
So,
slipper.
Paula, put with cakes together.
Yes. Oh God, this is so nice. Josh, eh?
We have to support.
Thank you so much. Josh! 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 Josh!
Hi, guys.
Back. Yes. Word of the day, Coco. Coco out there, so. Josh!
Ear chocolate. Somebody say ear chocolate.
You're there.
What chocolate?
No, this alright. You're like a shop, but I'm not even get done the love connection.
We apologize to the lady.
No man. I just feel she just jovial and nice. Yes, go on. She just jovial and
Hi,
nice.
Natasha.
I enjoy the day.
Yeah, man, it is
I cook me a
very
cookie
nice. National, how you doing?
Paula bring my dinner for me now. I'm kind of hungry. I'm going to eat from morning. So Miss Chocolate, I carry them overseas?
No, I'm not carry them overseas. It's a little competition we have our platform.
Yep.
And where we have anti-cake.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, no, competition. I don't know.
Yeah, we give out. But I know what me do to the phone.
Shaggy was saying, vanilla.
Yes.
You see? Oh, but I don't know if you find my page.
Come off, auntie?
May I come off and ready? You ready?
No,
No, I try to find my page. You don't know if you forgot. You don't know. That music I play out this song. Yes, guys, so it is that I'm going to sit down and chit chat with them little. And the reason, you know, and eat my food and do a little talking. It is so nice to have you guys with me. Bless up on yourself, all game with the pan level. You know, I'm a friend that we're going to have a little reason, you know. Alright? So sooner or later in the Planka.
Alright,
kings and queens.
Chill with Auntie for a minute. Alright, love you guys.
What a beautiful
We're
Sunday.
back to give away the next 5 cakes
Yes.
from Planka shop, right?
Yes, they're giving away
So
kings.
we'll be back to tell you what game we're going to play
That's
for
right.
you to win that.
So stay tuned. You never know what day is
Alright.
coming.
Alright.
Bye. Say bye, Auntie.
Bye. Bye. Mwah, mwah, bye. Yes.
All right,
bless
kings
up on
and
yourself,
queens.
So sooner or later.
Stay
And
tuned.
please remember before you
Love
go
you
to
guys.
like up the live, alright?
Bye-bye.
Like up the live. It is